In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can bulk create 1,000 YouTube shorts that you can post to YouTube and start earning money. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to be an expert at this, but this is for complete beginners who want to learn how to make money using YouTube. Check out this YouTube channel, which is doing exactly which I want to show you. They're posting basic videos like this that have got text, a background, and some background music. And you can see that there are thousands of people that are commenting and they're getting thousands of likes as well. Notice how many views they're getting: 5.7 million, 4.3 million, 3.3 million, 3.2 million views, and so on and so on. Using Social Blade, you can see that this channel is earning between $500 to $9,000 per month. And on average, they make above $185,000 per year. Now, without wasting any time, let me show you how you can do the same thing for yourself. But before we get into it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you're not yet a subscriber, and make sure that you hit the like button just to show your support for this type of content. So in order to do this, we're going to be using 3 different tools. The first one is going to be ChatGPT, which is free for anyone to sign up and join. The second one is that we're going to be using a Google document. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. And then the third one is that we're going to be using a special software, which is called Filmora by Wondershare, which is the tool that we're going to be using to actually create these YouTube shorts. So the first thing is click and open the Google document, and you're going to see these specific prompts that you can copy just like this. You simply highlight it, click on copy, and then you're going to open up your ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is free for anyone to use. You can just simply go to Google and search and say ChatGPT like this. And it's normally the first one that appears at the top. Register a free account and start using it. You're going to come right here and you're going to paste your prompt into it like this. And basically, this prompt is asking ChatGPT and saying, I want you to act as a content strategist for a viral YouTube Shorts channel in the finance niche. Now, your niche can be any type of niche. I just chose the finance niche. You can do anything about babies, about traveling, about you name it, anything that you're interested in. I just like to talk about making money. So feel free to change here where it says finance niche to the niche that you choose. And also just read through it. But basically, it's asking ChatGPT to give us subtopics. Once I've done that, I'll just click on enter. And what it will then do is that it's going to give me 50 different video ideas that I can create YouTube shorts about. As you can see, these are all the different ideas here. And if I want more ideas, I can just simply come here to the bottom and say, please give me 50 more without repeating the ones you have already mentioned. And then I can keep doing that until I get to the 1,000 posts that I want to make. But for now, I'm just going to choose any one of these here. For example, I like this one which says broke is a mindset. Here's how to break it. But now if I go back to the document which I gave you, you'll see that there is a second prompt with more instructions for ChatGPT. So I'm just going to simply copy this right here. Come back to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to paste it in here. And so what this one is doing is that it's instructing ChatGPT to give me a script. And the last thing that it will do is that it's going to ask me for the title of the script. So I press enter, and then it asks me, just drop your preferred subtopic. And then I'm going to choose this one, which is broke is a mindset. Here's how to break it. Copy that, paste it, and then let ChatGPT start writing my script. For the next step, we're going to be using Filmora, which is an AI editing tool that will allow us to be able to create these YouTube shorts in just a few minutes. To access it, please use the link that's in the description of this video. It will take you straight to the website and you can register for a free account. But please note, in order to be able to do what I'm about to show you, you would need to get one of the paid plans, as this will not work under the free plan. Next, I'm going to copy my script like this, and then I'm going to open up Filmora and it looks something like this. As you can see, I've got a ton of videos here because I use it all the time. But then I'm going to click on these 3 dots right here and search for the option which says AI text to video. And then I'm going to paste my text in there. Choose the language that I want to use. I'm going to leave it as English US. Then change the video ratio and put it on 9:16 so that it's a short. Choose the voice language that you want here. I'm just going to use Amanda, but you can use any one of these. And then I'm going to click on text to video right here. And then it's going to start generating the video for me. Now, this will take a few minutes, but I'm going to show you once it's done. Okay, it's a few minutes later. And as you can see, my video is done now. And I'm just going to press on play so that you can see it in motion.
I used to be broke, and I thought it was just about money. I was wrong. Back then, I'd say things like, I can't afford it, or I'm just not good with money. But the truth, I was broke because of how I thought, not how much I earned. I had to reprogram my mind.
So as you can see, the video is playing. Their images at the back are changing. There are videos at the back being played as well. And then there's also this text that's appearing on my screen. I can then go ahead and make any changes that I want in here. But as you can see, in just a few minutes, I already have a YouTube short that I can export to YouTube. As you can see right here, it's going for 44 seconds. Now, if I want to make some changes, for example, if I want to just change the text right here, I can just simply highlight the text like this, then come here to the right, use all these options. For example, I can click on this first one and you notice the text is going to change right here in the center. I can choose to make the text a bit more bold, or I can even choose the color that I want the text to be in. For example, if I want it to be black, as you can see, it's going to respond here. I can also change the font size and also choose another type of font that I want to use. Now, let's say that I want to change the background videos plus the images that are appearing at the back. You will notice that you've got different options right here. At the top, there's an option for you to upload media from your computer. There's an option for you to download stock media from Filmora itself. It gets its media from its own media database plus online. You can add and change the audio. You can add more titles, add transitions, effects, filters, stickers, templates, and a whole lot more. Feel free to play around with all that until the video looks like the design and the way that you want it to look and feel. If I'm happy with the short and I don't want to make any changes, I'm just going to come here to the top and click on export. Then this is going to pop up right here. I can then just change this and name it. For example, I'm just going to say short 1. Choose where I want to place it on my computer from over here. Make sure that it's an MP4 format, and then I'm going to click on export. And then as you can see, it's going to take about 10 seconds for the video to be exported to my computer. Simply locate it on my computer and then click it and start playing as it's already completed. Here's the video.
To be broke, and I thought it was just about money. I was wrong. Back then, I'd say things like,
So your next steps are simply for you to sign up for Filmora and start using it. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Feel free to also check out the document that I've also linked in the description to get access to the prompts. You just simply need to create videos, post them to YouTube, and then eventually YouTube is going to monetize you, and then you can start earning money from posting YouTube shorts daily. Now, if you've got any questions about this process, make sure that you leave me a comment and I'll make sure that I'm going to answer all your questions. But also, if you're not yet a subscriber of this channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button because I post content like this all the time, showing people different ways that they can earn income online. And make sure that you also hit the like button just to show your support. It helps so that YouTube knows that more and more people need to see this content. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.